Yun mga idol. Last game na natin to ng Inter Palengke Basketball.
Okay, natakayin po ngayon last matchup.
Centera versus
versus
Mr. Boy. At magandang laban to mga idol. At may 2 imports and 1 import mga idol. Mr. Boy. Number 14. Centera ball. Number 0. Korea. No. Still number 6. Number 14. No. 27. Number 27. No. Pass to number 16. Number 6. Outside. Number 26. Tanay.
Number 26. Tanay. Number 0.
Number 0.
That's number 16.
6. Uwi na ba? Pass to number 0. Korea. No. Rebound number 14.
Number 14, Domingo.
Same ball.
Mr. Boy.
Outside. Mr. Boy. Ball. Special mga idol. Pass to number 27. Pass to number
26.
26. Number 6. Hold up number. No. Pass up pala yun. Number 27. Hold up number. No. Outside.
Outside, ladies.
Score natin mga idol. All 0 pa lang tayo mga idol. First quarter pa lang to. Number 12. Ito number. No. Rebound number 0. Finish pass. Still.
Still by Berbes. Number 11.
11.
Number 11, Berbes. Pass number 26. Paling
Number 27. Foul.
But there's no whistle. Who's called it? Foul by number 16. So first personal foul, first team foul.
Number 27. No. Nakarin ang bola.
Number 6. Number 11. Number 11, Berbes.
Outside.
Centera ball.
Score natin 1-0 mga idol. Favor of Mr. Boy kontra Centera. Inter Palengke Basketball 2024. Number 12. Hold on, jumper. No. Number 31 is good. Number 6.
What's number 11?
Hey, may foul.
There's a whistle. Oh, my number 16. Second personal foul, second team foul.
Unang tira ni number 11.
Second try. Basket.
Good. Score natin mga idol. 2-1. Favor of Miss Centera pala mga idol.
55 seconds.
Oras natin 6 minutes exactly. First quarter. Number 0, Korea.
Number 0.
Pass to number 12. Number 0. No.
Number 27, Palagno.
Number 27.
27, pass number 26, following wing, number 26,
Hold up, jumper.
No good.
Rebound. Number 27.
Calagno. Pass to number 06.
Number 06.
06.
No, number 6.
Number 27.
27.
Calagno. Power rebound.
Good.
27. Calagno.
Score natin mga idol. 3-2. Laro dito ang Mr. Boy. Pass to number 12. Number 12. Hey, it's fast. Go. Number 16. Air ball.
Also, information of Mr. Boy, special people. Number 06, pass number 11, number
No, number 27.
Calagno.
It's good.
Number 27, Calagno.
Score natin. 5-2 mga idol. Lamang dito Mr. Boy Special. Number 12. No.
Number 27, Calagno.
Number 27, pass to number 26.
Pass number 26.
Pass to number 14, Nikot. Number 14. Rebound number 31. Pass to number 12.
Pass number 16.
Number 16.
Number 16 yan.
Hey, it's fast.
10 seconds to shoot.
26, Tanay.
Tanaya.
Hey, it's step. Still.
Pass to number 11, Vegas. Number 11, Vegas.
Pass to number 14, no. Number 14, turns 26, Tanay. Number 12, for down. No.
Rebound number 27, Calagno.
Rebound number 27. Pass to number. Foul. Traveling sa lang.
5 minutes.
Oras natin, 5 minutes exactly mga idol. In the first quarter.
5 minutes ha. Okay, pumasok na si the big man, Miguel Agulto.
Pasok na si number 2 Agulto ng Mr. Boy mga idol. So natin 5-2. Favor of Mr. Boy. Number 0. Korea. Pass to number 26. Taray. No. Pass to number 24. Pass to number 2. Finish pass. Hey. Pinasa pa ulit mga idol. Pass to number 12.
Number 12, big shot.
No. Pass to number
21, Parawan.
21. Pass to number 2.
Big man Agulto. Number 2, Agulto.
Score natin mga idol, 7-2. Favor of Mr. Boy Special kontra Center Mark.
Number 0. Pass number 2.
We're down. No. Rebound na kanino. Number 0, Korea.
Number 0.
Traveling.
Mr. Boy ball.
Number 9, Bonaw. Boss Bonaw.
Pass number 21, Parawan.
Pass to number 9. Pass to number 2. Number 9, Eric Pass. Good. Number 24, good. Score natin mga idol, 9-2. Lumalayo na. Ang kalamangan ng Mr. Boy kontra Center. Number 26, Sanay. Pass to number 0, Korea. Korea, we're down. Rebound number 24, pass to number 31. Hey, number 31, it's good. Pass to number 24. Hey, number 21, no. 26, Tanay.
26, Tanay.
Hey, 16. No.
Passing number 2, the big man, Agulto.
Number 2, Agulto. Still, number 26, Tanay.
Number 26.
Number 26.
Okay.
Pass to number 12. Number 12, no, rebound number 21. Number 21. Pass to number 9, Bola. Hey, number 31, no.
Number 16, Kapanadon.
Pass to number 2, Bola.
Pass to number 9,
Boss, Bola, down.
Number 9, number 2. Oras natin, 1 minute and 40 seconds.
Oras natin, 1 minute and 14 seconds mga idol. First quarter. Score natin, 12-4. Favor of Mr. Boy. Number 0, Steve. Go, rebound number 2, Agulto. Pass to number 21. Pass to number 9.
You're now for the 3. Here you go.
Rebound number 9.
Pass to number 21.
Number 21, no.
Rebound pa number 26. 1 minute and 10 seconds.
Number 31. 31, lumipad. Good. Score natin, 12-6. Still, number 26, Tanay.
26 ang Tanay.
Pass to number 9, Bonaw.
Pass to number 24, Perez.
Number 9.
Bonaw. Outside the legion. Time out, Sendera.
Time out, Sendera.
Round 6. In favor of Mr. Roy Specialty.
Score natin 12-6. Favor of Mr. Boy Special mga idol. Nagkabal dito ang Sentera. Mark. Official score 12-6. Last game na natin to ng Inter Palengke Basketball League 2024. Back to the ball game.
Okay, let's back to the ball game. 48 seconds remaining.
Oras natin 48 seconds mga idol. The first quarter. Score natin 12-6. Favor of Mr. Boy. Number 0. Korea, number 0, no. Rebound number 24.
24, Rebles.
Number 24, H and Step.
No. Number 9, Gulaw.
Number 9, Bonaw, score.
9, Gulaw.
Number
15 seconds.
15 seconds mga idol.
10
Number
seconds remaining.
27. Traveling.
Violation. 8 seconds.
Oras natin 8 seconds. It is fast. Number 21. Good.
Number 21, Bungkarawan.
Pass to number 0. Korea for down. No.
And at the first quarter, the score 16-6. 10-point lead for Mr. Boy Specialty.
Score natin 16-6 mga idol. Lamang dito ang Mr. Boy kontra Sentero Mart. Second quarter na tayo ng Inter Palengke Basketball League 2024.
Okay, let's start the second quarter.
Second quarter.
Number 25, Maniego.
Number 25, Maniego.
Maniego, pass number 29.
29, Santiago. Pass to number 26. 26, Tanay. Pass to number 31 for down, no. Rebound number. Still. Number 26, Tanay. Number 12. Number 12, no. Pass to number 5. Number 5, no. Santillan's good.
Number 29, Santillan.
Score natin 18-6 mga idol. Tanay, no. Rebound number 27.
27, Alando.
Pass
Pass
number
number 7,
29, Santillan, no.
Rebound by number 26.
Idol.
Interception number 27, Alando. Number 27, Tabi, tataan ng mundo.
Number 7,
Number 7, number 7, Molly Wing.
Score natin mga idol, 26. Malayo na, kalamangan ng Mr. Boy kontra Sentera. Number 12. Still, number 5. Number 5. Hey, number 5.
Sentera with the score of 22-6 in favor of Mr. Boy Specialty. Okay, shoutout daw nga po pala kay Boss Hermie Serda. At kasamahan niya si Makmak, ang tirador ng palengke. At alias Pilipit, Teboy Arago.
Back to the ball game, second quarter mga idol. Score natin 22-6 mga idol.
Alright, back to the ball game. This game is brought to you by Inter Palengke Basketball League 2024. Hosted by EJ Olegano, Santa Campina.
Score natin 22-6 mga idol.
Okay, number 0.
Dito ang Mr. Boy Special. Number 0, Korea.
Number 0.
Pass to number 12 for down. Number 0. Traveling. Number 27.
I'll take it.
Number 0, Korea. Pass to number 31. Short. Number 25, Maniego.
Okay, tumama na sa bakal.
Turnover.
Sentera ball.
Score natin mga idol, 22-6. Favor of Mr. Boy.
Number 0.
Number 0, Korea. Pass to number 26, Tanay. Down. No, rebound number
Number 16. Number
31. Crossover. 31. No.
Number 27. Ang Alando.
Pass to number 5.
5, Gavella. Negrid. Iba ba number 27? Ang pass
Number 5. 29, Santillan. 27 for down.
Negrid.
Number 0, Korea. Number 0. Korea is good.
It's good for 2 points by number 0.
Still.
0 number 1 ang Manipol.
Pass to number 12. May foul.
Number 7 ang Palengke. Number 7, it's your first personal foul. First team foul.
Number 12. Score natin 22-9 mga idol. Lamang pa rin dito ang Mr. Boy Special kontra Centera Mart. Number 14.
Number 7 now.
Still. Number 31. Pass to number 26.
Number 26.
Kanay! Side scale, no. Rebound number 7.
Number 7, Balipina.
Pass to
Pass number 27, Calando. Block number 7, pass number 5, Gabelia. Pass number 25,
Katingan, 29, no. Same ball.
Same ball.
Number 29, Santillan. Finish pass, 27, favorite shot. Go.
Number 31, Manipol.
Number 31. Number 31, wow! Basket, mga idol!
Kasama mo foul. Foul number 27. It's your first personal foul, second team foul. 5 minutes tayo.
Oras natin, 5 minutes and cycle, mga idol. Bonus shot number 31 mga idol.
Okay, baba na. 10 ang kalamangan dito ng Mr. Boy Specialty.
Number 31. No, sayang yun mga idol. Number 6. Pass to number 14. Hey, number 14, no. 14, score!
Number 14, Domingo.
Oras natin mga idol. 4 minutes exactly. Number 0, Korea.
Number 0.
They'll drop. It's good.
It's good for 2 points para number 0.
Number 9, bola. Down.
Very good. Number 12.
Number 0, Korea.
Number 0.
Hey, number 0. It's good.
Number 0 is good. Also points.
Score natin 24-16 mga idol.
Okay, wala na dito ang kalamangan ng
Number 2, ang punto. Number 11, bola. Number no.
Number 12.
Pass to number 26, Tanay.
26, Tanay.
It's good.
Number 26, Tanay.
Score natin 24-18. Dumidikit na ang Centera dito. Finish pass. No. Outside mga idol.
Score natin 24-18. Baba na sa 6 ang kalamangan ng Mr. Boy.
Number 12. Finish pass. Huli.
Pass to number 06.
Number 06. It's good.
Number 06, Boss Mike. Outside tayo. Mr. Boy, goal.
Mr. Boy mga idol. Score natin 26-18 mga idol. Score natin 26-18.
Pass number 14, Domingo.
Still.
Number 0. Pass to number 26, Tanay.
Number 26, Tanay, no.
Iwang may number 11, Perez. Pass to number 2, the big man. Pass to
Number 11, it's good.
Basket down, number 11, Perez.
Palit sa 10 ang hinahabol ng Centera mga idol.
Oras natin 2 minutes and 55 seconds.
Oras natin 2 minutes and 55 seconds mga idol. Ano second quarter. Number 12, pass number 0, put down, short. Rebound number 11, pass number.
Foul number 6. It's your first personal foul, second team foul, a third team foul.
Number 0, Korea. Pass to number 0, next step. Hey, number 0, Korea. Score natin 28-20 mga idol. Lamang pa rin dito ang Mr. Boy. Number 26, Tanay. Pass to number 0. 0, may foul.
Foul number 6. With your second personal foul, warning for penalty. First right.
Pangalawang tira, number 0, Korea is good.
Second try, basket na.
Number 9.
Number 9, Bunaw.
Bunaw, down.
Bunaw. Rebound number 14, Domingo. Number 14, Domingo.
Domingo, it's good. Still, number 2, Agulto. Pass to number 9, Bunaw.
Number 9, Bunaw, wait. Still, number 31. Manipol. Number 31.
Foul.
Number 14, Domingo. It's your first personal foul penalty.
Number 31, unang tira, wala yan, idol. Score natin 30-21, favor of Mr. Boy.
Second try, basket. Time remaining natin, 1 minute and 15 seconds.
Oras natin, 1 minute and 15 seconds mga idol. And now, second quarter.
Number 9,
Number 9 for down, no. Rebound number 11.
Still number 9, Bunaw. Number 9, Bunaw pa rin.
Number 9.
Number 11, Berbes.
Number 11, pass to number 14. Domingo, binali pa yun mga idol.
Domingo.
Pass to number 0, Korea.
Number 0, basket lang ang number 0.
Pass to number 2, Agulto. Hey, check
Number
step.
2, Nabigman, Agulto. Number 2, Miguel Agulto. 25 seconds.
Oras natin, 25 seconds mga idol.
Score natin
Second quarter.
24. 10-point lead by Mr. Boy Specialty.
Number 31. Pass the number.
Number 16, for the 3 lead. 10 seconds.
10 seconds, number 2. Pass to number 6.
Number 6, Miguel. Lawan tayo. End of the first round. We restore 34-24 at 10-point lead by Mr. Boy Specialty.
Official score natin ng second quarter, 34-24. Favor of Mr. Boy Special kontra Centero Mart.
Korea. Hai Materlai. Parang-parang-G. 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 Ako yawang beso. Parang-parang-G. 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 Hirap at isoy. Mga isoy. Mura ko itomoy. Alaki-lamoy. Sayaw tapong-tapong. Murangan tapong-tapong. Salang sa makitan. Buksa-buksa. One-ton-re. Asukalaw. One-ton-re. Asukalaw. One-ton-re. One-ton-re. Sayaw mga choy. 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 Sayaw mga break, 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 break. Oh, taxi mo na lang. Oh, sige na. Taxi. Oh, gusto ka libre na lang. Oh, sige. Taxi mo, taxi. Cinco pinangras. Para sa nag-request, come on, mga people. Hey! Cinco pinangras. Cinco pinangras.
Okay. Okay, let's start. Second half. Shout out sa idol ko. Makmak Maniego.
Third quarter, mga idol.
Third quarter. Okay, mabibili ka rin. Sa kumari ko.
Third quarter, mga idol.
May, muli ka rin nyo.
Number 12. Pass to number
31. Maniho, for the
31.
Okay, number 16. Pass to number 5, Gumelia.
Number 5, no.
Pass to
Number 24, it's good.
Number 24, Gomez.
Number 12, pass to number 0. Number 0, Korea, no.
Outside tayo. Sentero mo, single tayo.
Number 12.
Number 12.
Then drop, no. Pass to number 21, it's good.
Number 21.
Score natin 38-24. Lumalayo na ang kalamangan ng Mr. Boy kontra Sentera.
Number 31, Manibol on the gate.
No, rebound number 12.
Number 12, Nugget, University, Mamalado.
Pass to number 2, Agulto. Pass to number 5.
That's number 5.
It's good.
Boy, Gumelia. Number 0. Again. Number 21, Botarawan.
Outside.
Pasa doon, number 21.
Score natin 40-24.
Number 31,
Number 31, no. Rebound number 2, Agulto. Number 21, it's good. Pass to number 0, Korea. Number 0, Pass to number 31.
10 seconds shot clock.
Oras natin, 7 minutes and 45
Number
seconds.
16 for the 3, airborne.
Number 16. Pass to number.
Number 21, still.
Still.
Number 21, Manipol.
Still number 21. Number 21 is good.
Number 21, Bongkarawan. That's it, number 21, Bongkarawan.
Let's pass. Number 24.
Number 24, Gomez. Outside tayo, single.
Number 0, Korea.
10 seconds to shoot.
Number 0, no. Number 2, Agulto. Pass to number 24. It's good. Number 26. Pass to number 31. 31, umikot. 31, it's good.
Number 31, Moneyball.
Pass to number 24. It's good.
Number 24, Gomez.
Still, number 24.
Again.
24 pa rin. It's good.
Number 24, Gomez.
Number 26.
Outside tayo, Mr. Boy, special people. Ayun ang oras.
Oras natin 6 minutes and 5 seconds.
Oras natin, alas 5:54 ng hapon.
Number 5, pass to number 16. We're down, down.
Again.
Number 0, Korea.
Number 0,
Down, down. Bang!
0 for 3.
Number 21. We're down, down.
Number 3, number 24, Gomez. Number 24, Gomez.
Number 0, Korea. Still, number 5. Pass to number 24. It's good.
24, Gomez. Mukhang nangangamoy na yun.
Pass to number 0.
Previous player na yun. Si number 24, Gomez.
Number 12. Backward Belex.
Congratulations, may number 12.
Hi, Mom.
Time out, Mr. Boy.
Mr. Boy. Score natin 56-29 mga idol. Ang laki na ng inahabol ng Sentera.
Oras sa Pilipinas. Alas 5:55. 5:55 na tayo. 5 minuto na lang. Alas 6 na lang gabi.
Number 7. Pass to number 26.
5 minutes 6 hours on the third quarter.
Turnover.
Number
12. Team, we're down, down.
Rebound by number 2, Agulto.
Agulto.
Pass to number 11.
Number 11, no.
Rebound by number 31, Manipol. Number 31, Manipol is
Number-
up.
no.
Rebound by number 16. Nugget, rebound number 12, Roa.
Number 12, no. Wala pa rin
Rebound by
yung
number 7, Balingwing. Pass to number 25.
Pass to number 11, it's good.
Number 11, Berbes.
Number 26, Tanay. Outside. Oras natin. Number 11. It's good.
Number 11, Burbes.
Oras natin, 3 minutes and 46 seconds mga idol. Ng third quarter. Number 0, Korea.
Okay, may nagre-request daw. Number 2, Abulto, magtangka raw.
Pass to number 26.
Number 25, Makaling Iverson.
Number 7.
Number 7. Lock.
Pass to number 0, Korea. Hey, number 0, it's good.
Number 0, it's good for 2
Score natin, 60-31. Isang buwan nang inahabol ng Sentera. Number 25, Gallego.
Makaling Iverson na pataba. Wala.
Korea, number 0. No, rebound number 7. Number 7, good drop, it's good.
Number 7, Malik B.
Oras natin, 2 minutes and 23 seconds mga idol. Hey, crossover, no.
Ikaw doon. Okay, number 7, Malik B.
Ayaw na. Ayaw na.
Mr. Boy, special team.
Yun, mga hanggang dito na lang mga banso. 62-31. Umayaw na.
Best player of the game, number 24, Burbes.
Umayaw. Yun, mga dito na lang. Hanggang dito na lang mga basbong. Maraming salamat. Final score, 62-31. Umayaw na mga idol.